This is auto reset target for airsoft from Crossman, and this is a really beautiful gift for this holidays for any kids, and actually adults can play with it as well. If you have an airsoft toy, this is perfect. Does not require any batteries. You can collect all the BBs, soft BBs, on the back here, and the targets flip up back automatically. If you don't know what BBs are or soft BBs, it's this stuff right here, the plastic ones. This variety right here. And let me just open the box with you here and show you why this is a lot of fun. And let's just check what's inside. And this is the box, beautifully presented. And let's just open it up. And inside we have the net. That's your catching net. And let's take this part of it out. These are your metal bracket holders that you would mount. Here's a really nice walkthrough how to put it together, which seems pretty easy actually. And this is the front plate. Now let's take it out really quick. Close the box. Okay, and this plate seems to go this way or this way. But first, let's follow the manual, because that's what tells us how to do it the right way. Step 1 is to put in these brackets that we see here, the metallic brackets. Let me just open it up. And they go, there's 2 holes here on the sides. You can't mistake them, it goes here. And 1 bracket is done. Now we have to make another bracket right here. Really quick. Okay, boom. And it looks like that to begin with. Now we have to take this piece right here. And this contains the spring-loaded holders for our targets. So this would go inside right here, as you see right in here. Oh yeah, it snaps in place really nice. Catchers right here. And we're gonna put it on all 4. And that's how the net goes in. Let me retract these 2 in. Just make sure the net is made out of corners. As you see, there's corners here on the side. You throw in the first 2, for example, right here. Then you grab it to the other side really quick. Just like this. It is quite tight fitting, actually. Boom. And now we have the last corner. And the net is in. And you open these if you want to. You can leave them closed so it will catch anyway. And it looks really nice. And now that's how it looks inside from the opening. And here you would install the targets. There's a bigger one, smaller ones. So they go from big to small or small to big, however you want to see that. They're some rubber, so they will not break. That's a beautiful thing. So they're actually reusable. We place them on right here. We start from the big one. Let me flip it towards you. We put the smaller one or medium one on the middle, like that. And the very, very small one right here. And now all the targets are set. And we are ready to target practice. Oh, I see what happens. Boom, boom. And then this is actually beautiful. You put the small one down, medium one down. Then when it's time to hit the easier one or the big one, it lifts all of 3 together back up. This is really nice. And the soft BBs would not get lost, so you can recollect them and reuse them again. Targets are reusable, and the BBs are reusable as well on this net that catches them all. I really like this one, especially when I was a young boy. Probably I would have been extremely happy if somebody gifted me one of these or built one of these for me. But I'm happy that I have one even to this day, actually. I don't know what else to say except this will make a really beautiful gift for this new year if you have airsoft BBs. And yeah, this could be fun for the entire family, actually, as long as you are careful and kids are assisted under parent supervision. I really like this one.